Hello everyone, welcome to the Universal Classroom. In today's video, we will learn how to use conditional formatting, format as table, and I'm taking the example of class results that we have used in the previous lecture also. First, we will find the ranks on basis of total marks obtained. This one. So, let's take the heading of this column. So what is the formula of rank here? That will be equal to rank, then bracket start, and then first we have to select the number. So we will select this one because we want the rank on the basis of the total marks obtained, or you can do whatever, wherever it will be like you can find it from percentage also. Now we have to give it a reference cell, like reference of data from out of which you want to find the ranks. Okay, we will select this and we will make it absolute reference by pressing F4 because we are going to copy paste the formula here also. Okay, then what we want in descending order, that will be 0 and then close the bracket. So now just double click on this dot and it's here. We don't want the rank for this one, so this is how the ranks formula works. Okay, and now we will move to the conditional formatting. How does it works? When we'll go to conditional formatting, there are multiple types of formats here. First one is highlight cell rules. You can use any of this, like for duplicate values, click on that. Here give the duplicate, or you can use the unique also, and you can give any type of command here, like light red fill with we'll use this and then press ok. See, rank 6 is the duplicating itself, so it is highlighted in the red color. If you want to clear this rule, we have applied one rule here. If you want to clear this rule, just go to clear rules from the entire sheet or the selected row or column. Now what is it greater than or less than, between and equal to, you have to set a specific value in that, and whatever you will choose, like if you are choosing greater than 4, then the cells will be highlighted that are greater than 4 in red color, or whatever you want to do. Like for example, I'm taking like greater than 4. I'm taking here greater than 4. We can use here yellow also, red also, or we can make a custom format also from here. Okay, we will use the yellow side. So greater than 4 are 5, 6, 6, 9, 8, and these are highlighted. And how will we clear this rule? See, here it will mention clear rule from selected cells, and it's gone. So next one is top bottom rule. Like we can highlight the values that are in the top 10, like top 10 items of that. Like in this cell we want to highlight the top 3 numbers. Okay, like top 10 items. Okay, instead of 10 items, actually 10 students marks only, so we will highlight top 3 only. See, it's working for rank 1, rank 2 and rank 3. This is how it works. Now let's see the data bars. Data bars will be shown like first we have to select that cell. Let's clear this rule. Now data bar, it will show like graph type structures. Like let's suppose this, like for the maximum one it will take that, it will take it complete, then it will show it a graph like structure here. And you can use multiple types like solid fill or gradient fill, whatever it is. And let's clear. Now moving to the color scale. Color scale will be like, just select this. See, The green one are the topmost, then yellow one are in the middle, and the red ones are the lower one. And let's see this by sorting it out. Just insert a cell here. See, these are the lower ones. These are the middle ones. It will be like from green color, then yellow, then red. Red will be the lowest, and green will be the highest one. Okay, this is how it is working. And then icon styles, you can add these also, or you can take create new rules also. Uh, and now just clear the rule. Now the next one is format is table, that how you are going to format this as a table. Like first one will be different color, then second one will be different, then first one and third one will be as a first one. You don't have to go to the select this row and then set the background color like this. Just simply just simply go to the format as table. Like for example, we are taking this dark one. We have clicked this dark one. Now select the area where you want to make this, and here it is. Now here we have used the different formats. That's why it's not showing here. And these are whites. Just go to home. See, if we will make this black, it will be visible. Okay. Now what's the thing here is, we can just copy any cell where this is showing. Now just select it completely and right click on that, and in the paste options, we have first one is paste, values, formulas, transpose, and formatting. Just click on the formatting and see, here it is. Now we have to show this as percentage. Just use the percentage sign here. Okay, there you have it. We have explained about the ranking formula, then conditional formatting, then format of table formats. I hope you find the video helpful. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on future Excel tips and tricks. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions or suggestions. Thanks for watching.